In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use epics in Jira. Epics are a great way to organize larger pieces of work in Jira. Instead of tracking a big initiative as a single task, you can create an epic and then use it to group related issues underneath it. This makes planning, reporting, and managing progress much easier, especially when a project includes multiple tasks that all support the same goal. To get started, open your Jira project and click on Create. This opens the issue creation window where you can choose what kind of item you want to add. If Jira opens a default work type, such as a task or story, that's completely normal. We'll change it in the next step. Next, click on the work type field. This is where you tell Jira what kind of issue you want to create. From the list of available options, select Epic. Choosing Epic is important because it gives you the right structure for higher level work, rather than a smaller day-to-day item. Once Epic is selected, enter a summary. The summary should be short but clear because this is the main title people will see throughout the project. A good summary helps your team understand the purpose of the Epic at a glance, so try to keep it specific and easy to recognize. After that, enter the description. This is where you can add more detail about what the Epic covers. For example, you might describe the broader objective, the expected outcome, or the scope of work included. A strong description gives useful context and helps everyone stay aligned on what belongs in the epic. From there, fill in the other fields shown in the form. Depending on your Jira setup, these may include items like priority, assignee, labels, or other project-specific details. Completing these fields carefully can improve organization and make the epic easier to track later. If a field is required, Jira will usually indicate that, so be sure everything needed is completed before moving on. When all the information has been entered, click Create to finish. Jira will then generate the new epic and add it to your project, and that's the core process for creating an epic in Jira. The key is to make sure the epic is clearly named, properly described, and filled out with any relevant details so it can be used effectively as a container for related work. Once created, your team can use it to organize issues and keep larger initiatives structured from start to finish.